Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Nishida and I'm a partner with Novogradac Company. I'm coming to you from our headquarters in San Francisco, California, and I'm excited to be able to invite you to our 25th annual Affordable Housing Conference, which will be taking place in about a month. A lot has happened since our first conference in 1994, and I'm honored to be the host of the first ever 25th annual conference. I just got finished looking over the agenda, and we're going to have a lot of exciting panels and opportunities for you. We'll have 3 pre-conference workshops this year. One will focus on year 15 issues. Another that you don't want to miss will be focusing on ACT rehabs. And then a third will look at forecasting for affordable housing. On Thursday, we'll have our first ever Young Professionals and Newcomers breakfast. I know how important it is to network at our events, so I thought we would kick it off with a breakfast to help those newer to the industry or Novogradac meet some other people, acclimate to the conference, and have a chance to ask me and fellow Novi, Melissa Chung, questions about the conference or the industry. After breakfast, I've asked Michael Novogradac to kick off the conference by giving us a look at the last 25 years, where we are now, and where we're going. I'm really excited about his keynote speech. And then we'll have our world famous Washington report, and then our ever popular equity panel, looking at pricing as we near the midpoint of 2018 and tax reform starting to settle in. We'll also have numerous breakout panels on topics such as specialized housing, tax reform broken down for developers, NCHA best practices, and we'll cap it off on Friday with Everything California, where we're lucky to have the leaders of TCAC and SIDLAC. So start packing your bags, and I look forward to meeting you with hopefully some sunshine at our 25th Annual Affordable Housing Conference, May 16th through the 18th, here in beautiful San Francisco. Thanks.